finish in 1 week. In 1 week we have to finish. Do what you will do. I will give you every support. Everything you need, I will give it to you. Okay? Overtime, anything I will give you. There is some people they are talking in the last time about overtime. Some people is not take his overtime, his money. Okay. This one is already done. I cannot do anything. But I am promise you from the next month you will not be upset. And you will not be angry about your overtime. Okay? But be careful about your harvest. Yesterday I found some people they are consultant he will make warning letter. But I stop it. Be careful your harness. You have training, go to your training. You didn't have any training, contact your foreman, he will arrange a training for you. Don't have any training, don't go for this one. Tell him I didn't have training. He will arrange training for you. No have training, stop this one. Stop another work. He will find another guy from your group, he will go. You didn't have training for high level, don't go. Inform him I didn't have training. But don't make problem for yourself and for your foreman, for me also. Because every time I didn't know some people for you. But I found your name in my table. Make problem with safety, make problem with another team, make problem for... And even be careful about something now. We have tiles, we have ceiling. If you say there is something damaged before we started, inform your former director. This one is damaged before we started. So I will come, I will inform the people, it's not our job. We didn't damage anything. This is the problem. They will cost of you. They will pay money from your salary if you damage something. So be careful in ceiling and tiles, everything. You didn't know, it's not our job, tell. Now we have work inside the toilet. The toilet have tiles and some area have ceiling. Before we start, I will come with you. I will check everything. If there is something damaged, I will take video and take picture and send it to manager. This is not our job. We just started and there is something is damaged before. So later on, no one say that our team, mechanical team, electric team, they are damaged. Okay? And there is some 35 people. This is in our time sheet, but it's not working with me. I found this paper. What is happened before, I don't care. But from this now, I have 170. Okay, this 170 is in my sheet now. I want these people is working every time. Okay, as commandos, you know what is being commandos? If you commandos, when you go some area in 2 days, 3 days, must finish and you go out. This is the critical work and critical time we are have. When we will go to this area and we have 1 week, we will finish in 1 week. Do what you want to. Some people come a lot of areas, some people are working and sitting. I don't want any people who are sitting. Even the insulator team. You are making insulator, finish this one. You finish in 5 minutes, now finish in 2 minutes. You need 1 hour in this one, try to finish in half an hour. All. Okay? No. If any problem I solve without any problem for you. You want to explain?
अभी जो मैं होता है वो कल के मॉर्निंग में बोल दिया था ठीक है पहले बिना सेफ्टी का कोई काम नहीं है
शांत रहो भाई
पहले जो हमारा मसला है सेफ्टी का बिना सेफ्टी का कोई काम नहीं करना है कोई सेफ्टी का इशू है तो इंजीनियर है उसको बताओ वो ध्यान से काम करना इंजीनियर है उसको मत करो ध्यान से काम करके ठीक है और बात है जो आप ये हर जगह पे टच हो गया आज का हमारे हर जगह टच हो गया है तो हम लोग को नया पे काम करना है जो कोई देना चाहिए सीलिंग से लेकर टाइल्स पूरा हम लोग क्या करते हैं काम करना है और एक बात में काम आगे जहाँ जाना है ओके आज जो काम करने के लिए हम लोग जो घूमने जाते हैं काम करने के लिए कोई भी चीज डैमेज लगे तो उसको फोरमैन को दिखाओ पहली बात। और दूसरी का बात काम करने के बाद तुम देखो तो वो हमारे ऊपर आ जाएगा। ठीक है, ये सब करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, आरटीसी का बाद कोई हाईवे काम करने के लिए कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं है या कोई गहदार का कोई भी नहीं है तो दोनों फोरमैन को वो ट्रेनिंग दिलाएगा। बिना ट्रेनिंग का कोई कुछ काम नहीं करता। अभी हाथ सब चीज़ का मसला हो रहा है। ठीक है, और जो काम का बात वाला है अभी जहाँ जाना है हम लोग को वहाँ से काम करके तुरंत निकलना है। ठीक है, तुरंत मतलब जहाँ हम लोगों को 2 घंटा चाहिए कोशिश करें 1 घंटा में फिनिश करें। ठीक है, ओके। अभी जो है पहले जो टाइम शीट था सबका एक ही जगह पे, अभी कोई टाइम शीट सबका जगह पे नहीं है। अभी अलग अलग फोरमैन का नाम पे जो फोरमैन जिसका पास काम कर रहा है उसी का उम्र खास करो। ठीक है, वो अभी ये किसी का ओवर टाइम का लिख के कोई टेंशन नहीं है। ठीक है, वो तुम्हारा फॉरमैन समझेगा, तुम्हारा 1 घंटा कम आएगा तुम्हारा फॉरमैन बढ़ के जाएगा। ठीक है, तुम्हारा जो हिसाब है उसमें से तुम जितना किया 2 घंटा कम है तो उसको पैसा तुमको फॉरमैन देगा। ठीक है, तो पहले जो हुआ था वो सब भूल जाओ और जिसका कम आया है इंजीनियर समझेगा। ठीक है,
चुप हो जाओ।
अरे ये लोग बहुत हल्ला
You have the skill and give it to each other.
चुप करो ना, तुम लोग बक बक कर रहे हैं। ओवरटेक कम आया।